Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will do some sums upon number series. This is the first example. So first find the difference between these numbers. The difference is here 49. And difference between these two numbers is 36. And these two is 25. And these two is 16. So what will be the number? Difference between these two numbers will be 9. See, the difference here are the square of some numbers and the numbers are of decreasing order. Here it is square of 7, here it is 6, here it is square of 5, this is 4 square and this will be 3 square. 3 plus 49 will be 52. This plus this will be this. So the last number will be 1 to 9 plus 9 and it will be 138. So this is the second series. Here you can see that the difference here 2 and 3. This is 1 and the difference between these is 5 and the difference between is greater than 400. So we get this series by multiplying something. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 we will get 3. 3 into 2 it is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So this number will be 8 into 3, 24 plus 3 is equal to 27. So check this number, 27 into 4 plus 4 we will get 112. The third series is this, find this number. So first check this series, 9 then 9. So if you multiply this by 1 you will get this. And here 24 into half it is 12. We can write this half like 0.5 and here we get this 1. If we want to find the exact middle number between these 1 and 0.5, what you will do, 1 plus 0.5 by 2, we will get 0.75. So multiply 12 with 0.75, you will get 9. So the difference is 0.25. So 0.5 plus 0.25 equal to 0.75. 0.75 plus 0.25 equal to 1. 1 plus 0.25 equal to 1.25. So 9 into 1.25 you will get 11.25 and 11.25 into what? 1.25 plus 0.25 you will get 1.5. So 11.25 into 1.5 it will be 16.875. This will be the answer. So this is the fourth series. You can see that the number is increasing. So multiplying something with the previous number we will get the next number. So first try this. 2 into 5 it will be 10 plus 1 into 5 55 plus 2 57. But see, if you multiply this number with 5 it will already greater than this number, so you can't plus anything, so this will not be the series. Okay, so let's multiply this with 6. So you will get 12. 6 into 2, 12 minus 1, you will get 11. Then 11 into 5, 55 plus 2, 57. Then if you multiply this into 4, you will get 2 to 8. So from there minus 3, you will get 2 to 5. So the series is multiplying number is decreasing like 6, 5, 4. It will be 3. And first one is minus 1 plus 2 minus 3. So then will be plus 4. Last number will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Minus, plus, minus, plus, it will be minus. 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be 5. So 6, 7, 9 into 2 minus 5, you will get 1, 5, 5, 3. The fifth series is 7, 4, 5, 9, 20 and find this number. If you see that type of series, so you can get it by multiplying with fractions. So try this. You know that 4 into 1 plus 1 you will get 5. So fraction will be here. So smaller than 1 you will get 0.5. So 7 into 0.5 you will get 3.5 plus 0.5 you will get 4. So the difference is 0.5. 0.5 plus 0.5 you will get 1. Then you will get 1.5 plus 1.5 you will get 9. Then into 2 plus 2. Then into 2.5 plus 2.5. So 20 into 2.5 plus 2.5 you will get 52.5.